Viewing a presentation. PowerPoint has different view options to change how your presentation appears on the screen. The PowerPoint view modes can help you with the various presentation elements that you want to edit. By default, PowerPoint displays your presentations in normal view. To change the view of the presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on View tab. Step 2. Click on any of the 4 options available in the Presentation Views group. Normal View.
Normal View provides different sections to help you create and organize your presentation. Let's take a look at these sections.
Slide area displays a large view of the current slide. This is where the slides are created and edited. Slides pane displays the slides as thumbnails. Notes pane, this is where the speaker can write notes for himself. These notes do not appear during the presentation. Outline view. Outline view displays the text of each slide on the left pane. You can edit the text directly from here. Slide sorter view. It shows the miniature version of all slides. Here, we can easily change the order of the slides.
The advantage of this view is that you can see more number of slides on the screen and you can move, delete, edit and recognize these slides with greater ease.
Reading view. Reading view is used when you want to view a presentation not in full screen but in a window with simple controls that make the presentation easy to review. The ribbon and the slides or outline pane are not visible.
The reading view shows the presentation in full screen with the title bar and status bar and simple controls.
Slideshow view. This view is used to deliver the presentation to the audience. This means that you can run a slideshow of your presentation and see how it looks. You can go back or forward in the slideshow by clicking on the arrow buttons in the lower left corner. You can access the slideshow view by clicking the slideshow view icon located towards the right side of the status bar. Changing the slide order. It can be done by simply selecting the slide you want to move up or down and place it at the position. If you want to move the slides and change their order, it can be done either in normal or slide sorter view.